Wow, it's working. So first time with the mobile data. Yippee! Alright, focus. Okay. Alright. Switching to the camera in the drone. Alright, I can see everything. Wow, beautiful. Alright, let's fly. 52%. I think this is the very bad battery. Alright, there is a latency in the video feed. Wow, there is a lot of wind at 25-meter height. Damn it, I do not have the range, the afton, the distance. Oh yeah, I have it. 210, 210. Okay, let me check again. Blue light. Constant blue light in the controller. Perfect. So it's working perfectly. Alright, let's keep filming this beauty. Okay, the wind is against me. 10 meters per second. 11 meters per second. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's working with mobile data. I cannot believe this. Solid blue light. That means it's connected to the mobile data and the antennas around. Using the mobile hotspot of this telephone, which I have in front of my eyes with the virtual goggles. What the heck is that in the lake? What the heck is that? Okay, 90 meters, 50 meters, 40 meters, 10 meters. Oh, wow, it looks so cute. Alright, alright. How I know the horizon? Well, it doesn't matter for now. Let's go through here. 11 meters per second. Okay, the wind is in this direction. Whoa, really fast. Pushing the airplane really fast. Right, 9 meters. That is below the trees. 8 meters. 4 meters. 5 meters. And I'm going to point to myself, but I'm going to go at 10 meters. Right, here I am, right there. Right there. Alright. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful technology. Okay, let's stay safe. Let's stay in 31 meters. Wow, look at that! Oh my god! This is so beautiful! Oh my gosh! Let's speed up this. Wow, amazing. Wow! Alright, the video is perfect now. Wow, so beautiful. Right, let's speed. Right, 23 meters per second. Oh shit, is that a power? Oh yeah, it's a power transmission line. Go back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 1.6 kilometer, baby. And the battery is very low, so let's go back and look for a beautiful landing spot. Alright, battery draining very fast. In fact, let's enjoy the ride and press return home. Beep. Return home. Oh, it's going to 50 meters height. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful video. Look that beauty. Alright, there's a latency in the video. Drone disconnected. Alright. Maybe the data. The data in the dungeon. The USB dungeon. Alright, where is it? Let's go. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm connected from the mobile data when it was in the mode return home, and then yeah, connect to the controller but not the video feed, and then automatically arrive home and start the landing procedure. Perfect. So now change the battery because it's very low. Let's check the battery again, the percentage. If I have the video feed back to the drone or not. Okay, this cover is really useful. Beautiful. Beautiful! Excellent. Alright. Still connected to the controller, but let me see if the video feed is working or not. Wow, that is why I was not looking very... Okay. Okay. Oh, there is dust behind. Okay, let's see. Oof, it's cold. If I remove this, so it's not recording, it's not connected to the video feed. But here is solid blue. Strange. Solid blue, mobile spot. Let's try connect again. I think the battery is very low, so it's not enough for powering the modem also. Swapping the battery. Nah, not a battery. Obviously there is the battery that is very bad. I need to mark it, separate it from the other one. Alright, stop the video. How many minutes? 30 minutes.